Adventure time with the Transit Prodigy, mini video edition.
Ooh, we got a heavy arrival.
Yeah, 2468, contact near departure, good day. Switch to departure now, 2468.
There it is. I was off by a few centimeters. Oh, that's British Airways. How about that?
35 North Tower, runway 22 left, that whiskey line for whiskey. Runway 22 left, whiskey
That flag is not mistakable.
And Tower 3355 on the RNAV for whiskey 29. Runway 3355 North Tower, wind calm, runway 29 code line. Runway 29, runway 3355.
To everybody tuning in, hello. Make yourself welcome, please. Enjoy yourselves. And whoever smacked that like button, I do appreciate that. Thank you very much.
Turn right taxiway, Papa.
We're 3 away from 15. Let's keep it going. I know we can do it. And say hello in the chat. I don't bite. I do not bite. But if your English isn't so good, feel free to use Google Translate. Look at that. Look at Air India all the way down there.
Friendly reminder, if you have not eaten, taken your meds, drank water, nor given yourself plenty of time to rest, if applicable, please do so at your earliest convenience. I don't want anything to happen to you. Jesus loves you and I love you too. And thank you for watching. And now, with that being said, please continue to enjoy today's featured presentation.
North Tower, America 3444, just decided by the car and a whiskey tonight. 144 North Tower, wind calm. 1.29er, good line. Luckily, it's Africa, 3444. Contact near departure. Departure at 1435, good day. To 6 Whiskey 2, join Yankee ground point 8. It's RE9, 2387 inbound, RNAV Whiskey 29. 2387 North Tower, wind 2503, runway 29 code line. Departure land 299, 2387. Air 106 Heavy near Tower, runway 22 left, full length, line up away. So India 106, runway 22 left, line up and wait. And be ready to move, expect your departure clearance as you enter the runway. Copy that, so India 106 Heavy. Air India 106 Heavy, got traffic on a 3-mile bound runway 29 or runway 22 left, clear for takeoff on 2603. Clear takeoff runway 22 left, Air India 106 Heavy. Holding.
Do we have an Air India takeoff, or did I hear another airline? I could be mistaken.
Number 3355, just take Whiskey 2, join Yankee, ground point 8.
Whiskey 2, join Yankee, ground point 8, number 3355.
Well, that is Air India.
9185, Heavy, you with me? I think that's me first, speed 185, Heavy, are you on my frequency? United 121, Whiskey for, I think on the highway, take it left. 121 Heavy, Air Tower 2604, runway 22 left, clear line, caution for turbulence, Heavy departing 22 left currently, and traffic. Boeing 737 on about a 3-mile right base, runway 29.
United 121 Heavy, clear to land, 22 left, looking for the traffic.
Air India 106 Heavy, contact near departure, good day.
Near departure, India 106 Heavy, good day.
Perfect timing, because British Airways is heading to Terminal B. I've been missing your messages, I'm sorry. I saw every last one's. Yeah, I see it. La Capone? Really? I'm surprised.
Whiskey Yankee, ground 8,
I'm surprised, my dude. Hey, I'm not saying that in a bad way. A lot of people would have been favoring Lufthansa, you know?
2107 on the RNAV, Whiskey 29.
2107 near tower. Wind 2505, runway 29er, clear line.
Clear line 29, yeah, 2107.
Yeah, if you look towards the background, everything is coming in on runway 29. But let's focus on this British Airways because it's so pretty. I should leave the messages alone. Okay, make sure it's all there we go. That way I don't miss messages.
37 uniform, hold short Yankee, ground point 8.
Uniform short Yankee over to ground point 8, United 2307 today. Canada 584 with you on the RNAV, Whiskey runway 29.
Canada 584 near tower 2403, runway 29er, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 29 Air Canada 584.
And another United arrives.
That 121 Heavy, take Victor right on Papa, link ground point 8.
Victor, right on Papa, point 8, get a United 121. Tower, afternoon, American 3204, RNAV, Whiskey 29.
American 3204, North Tower, 2506, 129, code line.
29, quarter line, American 3204.
Looks like British Airways is in the penalty box. Uh-oh, not the penalty box. You hate to see it. You hate to see it, but you do.
92107, take Whiskey 2, join Yankee ground point 8.
Whiskey 2, Yankee, ground point 8.
Oh, excuse me.
Traffic 3534, RNAV, Whiskey, 108, 2 Diner.
Africa 3534, North Tower, 2505, runway 29, code line.
29, quarter line, Africa 3534.
I see an American taxiing.
Air Canada 584, exit at the high speed, take uniform, hold for the Yankee ground point 8.
Is officially
Uniform
parked
for
because
Yankee,
it's not
ground point 8, Air
moving.
Canada
The
584.
transponder's off, if I'm correct. Yeah, I think that's done.
Thank you for watching today's presentation, and please have a blessed day.